Kini kini darshan Meghalaya berpindah sebagai pi baru syak ni ketup kebawah mentah kejan miet. Shoban pas ki kubor kebabnya ipet cuma kemat pekongsan. Boy tap vote palat dulu pun nak kasi spa kebentar besan jong ke election Lok Sabha. On persangkat lak kat gay IDGP bertemai ben kelai ke jengmut jong ki patbah ke bayde ki pulit ke jela Meghalaya on pen bot ki pulit Meghalaya nak ke jela Assam ha ke bayde ke jeng penlungkam. Lajan poi ke bekut ha ke bayde ke jeng ti bniak ke KHDC halor ki riti ki dustur pat ke kolshor jong ke jat benrio Khasi. On kop jelang umitri rong bak kejelaya baru kebedan bentalang hadin ke election Lok Sabha bani keren halor ke jengkang kerdap ke MCCN. Bat penlong program ajeng hikai ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat ke Huladik Recycling Private Limited halor ke tiar elektronik ke belajat lani ki e-waste on bok kene ke company san potli ke jaka bret dia kini ke tiar jat hakleng ke jela Meghalaya. Ki kubor ki babnia ha kebenta ke besan jong ke election Lok Sabha palat riu po pon not kendai nak kesispa ki pat ba ki lapoi tap vote hinen kesngi ha kini kebenta ke ladon ke jeng tap vote ha ki saup kendai teli ki constituency ki bedon ha ki hin riu teli ki jela but artli ki union territory ke jeng tap vote ke layat bet yat renti ha ke baki pat tap vote ki lai shim benta da ke jeng shong shit wat la ke don ke jeng shit kerang jong kesngi ha ke leng ki jaka jong keri Ihe DGP bedang susha tung temai jong ke jela Meghalaya ikong ida sisa nongrang. Ila banjir ba ikwa ban penbet no ya ke rukom pet rukom kemi jong ki brio ha ke bay bat ki pulit Meghalaya ba ki long ki belek meng persya ki brio lajong. Haba ai jengkren ha ke jengelang ke bandingkong bat ki nong patai kubor shan hadien bela shimti ke kamkum DGP ikong nongrang ila ong. Ba ke jeng ba insai kenduk ke long ban penkelai ke jengmut jong ki brio. Hakajuk ke porpat ikong nongrang ila banjur baki pulit kidang persang ban pensisah ke bayday bat ke jengkam jong keseng HNLC ke belah tet ketino yang ledi ni kikam dawa pisa jubor hakini ke nongba. Kila don ki jung ujor baka seng HNLC kala pa syai ya ki sithi dawa pisa jubor sebon ngut kinong khayi hakini ke nongba ya ke baka ni ke seng kala kentat war.
That Meghalaya police is hostile to the people, let me put it very bluntly, correcting that influence, that perception, and to ensure that the people the police are accessible, are there to help you and not to harass you. On that, the demand notes of HNLC, the HNLC themselves have come out with the clarification that it's not them. That verification is going on, whether it's actually them or it's an offshoot or it's somebody mimicking the HNLC. Investigation is going on, inquiries are going on. I would like to leave it at that.
Hakajuk ke por IDGP bedang susha tung temai jong ke jela Meghalaya ikong ida sisa nongrang. Ila banjur ba insa kampen stet no ya ki jeng penrung kampulet ban pentikna ban pendap no ya ki jaka balat teli. Ila ong baki kam ke bedai baki jeng penrung kampulet ke dang sakut hapo ke yen bisar jong ke jela bat ila benrap ru baki pulet ke labut tek patek iki kendon balabuk nak benta ban penrung kampulet. Ila benrap syuk baki pulet kin sa penbot nak jela Assam kenang bakin la ban kenjo syakathong ke balabuk ha ke bedai bat ke rukam penrung kam.
There's a big confusion about that relaxation in age, and the perception there's been a different perception. In fact, I would say a misconception as to the departments which are exempted from that. You must be aware that on the 23rd there's a section of a group of people have filed a petition in court. The hearings on the 23rd. We are hoping that the court will see that we have adhered to the provisions, whatever government instructions have come by vis-a-vis the recruitment. Yes, we have a large number of vacancies, but we are hoping to take a leaf of what has happened in Assam and where they have filled up all their vacancies. And our target is to ensure that those vacancies are filled up and the recruitment is expedited to the extent possible.
Ka jengwat bnia hagi saupuai teli ki bentah ki bedai bat ki riti ki dustur ka kolshor bat kiwe jong ka jat ben rio Khasi kalajan poi ka bekut ya kini ke jengwat benya la be tengka da menteri rang ba ka jelau konret ke sang ma u konret ke sang ma ka balakot ula be tengka ya kini ka san po lak tengka house nem baladep u executive member jong ka KHADC u bade pet ya ka puliputhi u ba karne so shang u lapen pau ba ka research but development committee ka belapen ya ma u kan sai kendu alang ka ar pusau terik u jemang ban ya mer jengmut halor ka jinglong jengman jong ka ni ka project wat bnya kam hashwa ka council ka labu sngi khatdo ha ka laipoi terik ulber na ka benta ki na wat bnya ban wan pen poi ya ki jinglap jingshem jongki
la le bani kudu yo chief minister ko jingalam jong CM jongi ba punya na ka beta pan ka jingerap na i chief minister wide bat ka fund bat ka jing ai ka jongi san pulak ka along ka jing kerku na ka beta ka research mentang idang perkhat ban song ka komiti ha ka absorb jong mentang benai ha ka bangin yo ban ya perkhat ban ya pano ya lani ban pa submit ya ka pre submission jam bangin perkut lani bersaba ngin pediang ya ki research ki jongki ni haban pa le swa ka pre submission bada din kata ladang la ka jipe jong komiti ke ibit ibiang no sedong ni sa petip ski bakin pa final draft
kaseng maumlu chera simen employees union hinin kesengi laikendo ya menteri rang ba ka jelau konret ke sangma bat kila IT hau ya ka shithi ha ka bakila banjur halor bontili ki jingdawa ki bedai bak tulop badang sa bat ki we ki jing sio u general secretary ka seng MCCEU u ba pins khemlang lingdo la ong bo menteri rang ba ula pentip ya ka seng bo unsa khot ya ka jinglang na ka benta baro ki bedon benta lang hadin ka result election lok sabha hau benai ban sawan ban rai halor ka lawai jong ka karkhana MCCL kaseng kala panjang kershan ru nak benta ka voluntary retirement scheme but ka scheme song tengka
kejingwan kedu jungi menteri rangba ka Khasi kalong ba pang si point kalong ba min ai reminder alor itu ki point ki bang lagi submit sa government sa punishment ta gilong ba kabalikong kalong ba tak hidu baka pelan kanda ya don ka jingerap di ban ai ni financial assistant imdai betul ka ba kalong ba ngidang community ba ka pelan kan ya buat ka balai kalong ba alor ka BRS buat ka betul golden scheme
ka jing pamla ban le bha de kisamla ka jela Meghalaya ha ka examine UPSC civil service klalong ka bakyamen sim shibun labon snamenta but i DGP bedang shusha tung tmai ibedeiru ihe IPS ikong ida shisha nongrang ilakin tu kisamla bakin rai kut but yaine ha ka jungbut jing perkhat jongki da ka bapin inuksai ka jela Manipur ka padang don ha padang ka jinge umsnam ikong nongrang ilakdo banaki shi phongut ki bla pas ya kane ka examine na Manipur saungut ki dei bla pule bat pin kre yala de hanong ba shalong ki samla ki don kam ban so tho kat no don kam ban treshitom ban persang katla kat yai ban pin kre na ka benta kane ka examine
civil services is concerned, it's become much more competitive over the years. It was quite different 30 years back when I started with civil services. It's very different now. The competition has increased much more. Our youth need to realize that they have to, if it's something that you really want, you really have to struggle for it. It's not that there have been umpteen number of whether IPS or IAS officers from the state who have qualified before. The examination pattern has not changed very much. But the number of people who contesting, the competition for it, yes, has increased. So commensurate with that, the amount of effort that is required will have to be much more than what has gone before.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board haka jigi stock tilang bat ko ladik recycling private limited menta kasi kala pelong ya ka program ai jingi kai na benta ban sam jing tip sigi pat ba kum ka jing persang ban berat adakar ki tiar elektronik ki belajat lani ki e-waste khnang ban om kata ai kamariang haka por balapli perdai kani ka program la pelat pat baru ya ki e-waste bin lani ki jaka berat ya ki e-waste kani ke jing le ka thmu ban penslor ya baro ki bedon benta ban pendon kami ki ha ka ban berat ki tiar jong ki ki belajot, ki bakentop ya ki kortiliat bam, ki belarim, ki tiar komputer, ki charger, ki battery, bat kiwe. Ya ki bangimla syuk ban pendon kam hapo ki yang kisem ki jongi. Hagajuk kepor unandal mal ubade managing director jang kehuladek ula pentip beklabu thong banbo hadu sanpau teli ki jakabret ya kini ki tiarjot lani ki e-ways bin hakeleng ke jela.
Been working with us, and we feel that the entire Northeast is quite, unaware, or the level of recycling of electronic waste is currently quite low. So we wanted to spread that word and also ensure that maximum e-waste from all of Northeast, specifically from Meghalaya, gets recycled, and we continue to enjoy the nature that we've seen growing up, and we don't end up losing it. That's the whole idea.
Minta kesngi lalap ya kawai kamet yap. Jong wei orang ba ubla san pusau senam kekerta, kebala per hasla hakawa yam. Uni ula not ya bola itho kumu ba ron ku pemasar ubade unong snong jong ko roi jayo pedeng, kabahap hapo ke jingpet jingkmi jong ko yam police station. La subah ba ulangam jelop. Kat kum ka kubor ki bahayang bahasam jong ubak masar ke lalet mudui ha roi police investigation center ha ka arpau terik ubnai jemang ha ka bakila pentip bula jak rengai naduk ke por sau pijimin step jong ka singining kong hadien bu lalet maria kai step ubak masar utreru kum junior engineer ke tenat water conservation Shillong. Ka anti-narcotic task force jong ka East Giant Hills minnemin step kalayo bat ya kawai ka kali tata sumo ke belawan nasil char Assam bat ha kapor bala kendra ya ka lalap sanpu prateli ke senduk sabon ha ka bala tap ya drug heroin ubakia hadu nrius pak kenai kram kador jong nu heroin ha ki yogi hat kalong hadu san pon san klur tingka Uwe ubriu belatip kerteng kumulal biak dik vaipe namadan riting Shillong ula syakbat no Kani kadi ke jengi okurup drop ke bahek tab nantuk bagi DGP Themai ikong ida shisha nongrang ila syemti ya kam. Ka tenat puli Khasi jong ke St. Edmunds College minta kasi kala penlong ya ke jing batai ke bekerpang halor ki hima Khasi bat ke instrument of accession hapo college auditorium. Ya ke jing batai ke bekerpang la ai dok syong konor jong ke Grand Council of Chiefs uba John F. Khasi yeng uba deiru unong ai jing mut jong ke Federation of the Khasi States. Hagan ni kesngi uba Khasi yeng ulap pelat pat baru ika kot link kedop ke belai kerteng ke rinsan ke lenong ke bekendai. Haringkat ke jing don lang jong principal in charge jong ke college Simon Koelho bat kiwe.
Madana kamshu soye ko morja mala soy ki be ki sans pa am ki transliske pa tandam ne ko tenjui ha ha no ki so ya pasa takara la blan blan ki pa ko mi dawa khasisti mo kala ta pa ki constitution ko mo mi la no da kam ko so fu no ba kren ba an ki khasisti pa no me la so jibo la so ta pa hapo ka ni la ko khasisti na no khasisti como la mutu la federation Khasi tiba-tiba ko ba siya patay
Ka program ai jengi kai nakabenta ki senior hair and beauty therapist ka bahap po ke skill Meghalaya la pli perda ha multi facility center ampati ke siningkong kisamla ki badai banyo jengmentoi ki bana keleng ka district kila wan bani shimbenta ha ka jeng pli ke ni program ai jengi kai bala pelong da ko office jong skill development officer South West Garo Hills ampati kani ke program ai jengi kai ka ban salong hadu sanspa shipho kenta kan salong haki jaka ajeng hikai ke bedon hagaru badha bat ampati daka company impulse ka bedai ka parlok ajeng hikai jong ka skill Meghalaya ha ka ba kala bo thong ban ajeng hikai ya palat shis pak ngut ki samla ha ka bedai bat ki kampen bhabreu yosnyo bat kasni do Mentagi ni pet ya kejeng long jaman ke Swinbeneng hanong ba Shillong kejeng shit kalong 40°C kejeng kriak kalong 4.0°C kejeng skam kau hau kalong prapu nyo na keshis pak men step chispa na keshis pak janmit kejeng hap slap men step kalong 0.9mm kala bandon kejeng hap slap ka ba malumala pat kejeng tir perthat hakikat tu kan ni kijaka Shoban poi jeng bekut jeng tup kubor pebiang sesi ni kimat bekongsan Poi thep vote palat Rio Pona ka sispa ha ka benda ka basan jong ke election Lok Sabha. On persyang katlak kat yai DGP bertemai ben penkelai ke jengmut je kipat ba ke baydai bet kipulit ke jela Meghalaya. On penbot kipulit Meghalaya na ke jela Assam ha ke baydai bat ke jeng penrungkam. Lajan poi se ke bukut ha ke baydai bat ke jeng tik beniak ke KHADC halor ki riti ki dustur bat ke kolshor jong ke jat penrio Khasi. On kot jing lang menteri orang bak ke jelaya barok bedan bentalang hadin ke election Lok Sabha bania keren halor ke jingkang kerdep ya ke MCCL. Bat penlok program ajengkai ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat ke Huladik Recycling Private Limited halor ke tiar elektronik belajat lani ki e-waste. On buk kini ke company Sunpo teli ki jaka berat kini ki tiar jot hakeleng ke jela Meghalaya. Dia perlok katunglah poi se bukut jong tup kubor jong imita ke janmit haduk beni syambang bat pila syai kesi kublai pi baro.
Said India Alliance cannot tolerate that the people of the country are going to re-elect Modi for the next 5 years. He said that for a bright future for the people, a strong government needs to be formed at the centre. He added that as June 4 is nearing, the abuse